Now we're going to look for the table about summer comfort. And summer comfort is about if we have some overheated rooms, some really warm rooms that get heated up by the sun. So we have to determine first which rooms would be the overheated rooms. And it would be the rooms to the south where we have very large windows. So if we go to the table first, you can see we need to find the area of these rooms. Then we have the ventilation in winter and summer, in day and night. And these are ones we can, if we have overheated rooms, then we can regulate on this here. But if we go to the assignment to see the building that we are using, we go to the energy report here. You can see I have chosen the living room and the kitchen as the critical rooms because this is to the south here. So what I do is I find the area of these rooms, and it has to be the cross area. So I go from the middle of the partition wall to the middle of this partition wall here. And then from the outside to the middle of this partition wall. And then from the outside and from the outside here, and then up to the middle of this partition wall. And this would be the area that I have. Then when I calculate, then it's really important that the rooms that are critical, these rooms are made active in the window table. So go to the window table, and here you can see that we have the windows to the south here, and they also to all the windows that we have in the living room, I put one, and then also in the kitchen I put one here. So they are active. Then when I go back here, now because I've finished this and I have regulated on it, then I can say calculate, and then we get hours down here. And here you can see I have written the rules in the energy report here, that we can only have 100 hours over 26 and 25 hours over 27. That's what we are allowed to have. And first time when I calculated, then I had too much, right? Because here I have 163 hours over 26 degrees and 18 hours, which is fine, with 27 degrees. So what I do is I play with this and I put the ventilation up in night to 0.9, because in that way I can cool down the construction, and then it takes time to raise the temperature in the daytime. And then you can actually see I'm fine here. The reason why I don't get the same result now is that I've finished. I also filled out the ventilation table here. So that's the reason. So this is what you have to do. Find the critical room, determine the size, and then play with these ventilation. So what you do is it's good to play with in the night. So you raise this so you can cool down the construction in the night time. And now I'd like you to go to the assignment again and look for the critical room. You can see here I've written that here up on the ground floor we have the overheated or the critical room in the living room here. So that is what you are going to look at. Please make the assignment before you move on. See you soon.